Data culture is talking about how people actually feel about data. And I feel, because it's been done so poorly for so long, that a lot of businesses have a poor data culture. Like the ones I've worked at, they don't see any value in it, because every so often someone will get a great idea of going, hey, let's measure this. And it never really works out. The data's poor, it's poor quality, it's not available, it's not accessible. No one really knew what they were doing with it anyway. They were just kind of poking around to see if they could find anything. And that leads to a pretty negative data culture. And when you have that, it means that any strategy, infrastructure, talent you put in place is usually doomed to fail, because you've got people in your business kind of already expecting it to fail. A bit like my example from earlier with my first AI project. Everyone I went to for support, for data, for insight, already wanted me not to be successful with it. They didn't really want me to go off and be a shining light and be like, we need to be more data driven, because it meant more work for them. A lot of people at the minute also think they're going to be replaced by AI. Doesn't help when you're sat there looking over their shoulder trying to capture every single thing they do to replace it and automate it, without telling them that's not the strategy. The strategy is to learn what they do, automate what we can, so that they can go off and do more profitable tasks.